This one thought has got me results for so many people. It's a great way to go about making smarter food choices, and I like to call it the 1 to 10 rule. We'll take this full fat milk as an example. So for 500 millilitres of this, nearly a pint worth, you've got 320 calories and 16 grams of protein. Now the first thing someone's going to tell you when you're trying to lose fat is that you should be eating a high protein diet. Milk is a good source of protein, and it's even going to say it on most cartons of milk to probably get you to buy more. But when you're trying to lose weight, I think that drinking milk is a bit stupid. Because for one thing, it's liquid calories, which can be a good thing if you're struggling to bulk. But in this case, when you're trying to lose body fat, it's not really going to fill you up as much as you need it to compared to how many calories you're getting from it. And then independent of the whole liquid calorie thing, the ratio you're looking at for it is 1 to 20. Hypothetically, if you manage to maintain that same ratio across the course of the entire day, and let's say you're going for a protein target of in and around 150 grams a day, which is going to be a standard goal of protein for your average person, then you're going to end up with a total calories of 3,000, which is going to be way too much for about 95% of people to be losing weight on. For your standard egg then, taking them as our second example, you're talking in and around 6-7 grams of protein and about 80 calories. And the ratio down here is moving down to about 1 to 13, so we're getting better. Moving down into a much greater ratio now is the likes of a chicken breast. Chicken breast, you're probably talking 165 calories and 31 grams of protein. Our ratio now has just become 1 to 5. Now broadly speaking here, the lower you can get this particular ratio with any given food, then the better that food is probably going to be for fat loss. You get much better bang for your buck in terms of how much it's filling you up relative to the calorie cost, and I better get these back in the fucking freezer. We'll take a packet of biscuits as our last example. So in 100 grams of these biscuits, which is about a third of the packet, you're looking at 495 calories and about 6.2 grams of protein. So for these then, we're looking at a ratio of in and around 1 to 80, and if you really think about it, that would check out, because if you have any functioning brain cells, you can probably hazard some sort of a guess that chocolate biscuits aren't going to be the best food for fat loss. Not that chocolate biscuits can't be had in moderation, which is what I'll always preach, but the fact is, if this ratio of yours is going over around 1 to 15, then you can probably identify why you're finding fat loss harder than it probably should be. But listen, if you do want to lose some weight for real for the summer, then you should probably drop me a follow for more help on your way.